Earning a CompTIA CySA Plus certification could be your fast-track path to a career in cybersecurity with the world's leading companies and the salaries to match. Stay tuned to learn which organizations are hiring and the kind of compensation you can expect in 2025. Cybersecurity is more important than ever. As cyber attacks become increasingly sophisticated, businesses are looking for skilled professionals to defend their digital infrastructure. The CompTIA Cybersecurity Analyst CySA Plus certification validates your ability to monitor, detect, and respond to cybersecurity threats. Now, let's take a closer look at the companies actively hiring CySA Plus certified professionals across different sectors. Whether you're aiming for a role in tech, government, finance, or healthcare, opportunities abound. Tech companies are at the forefront of cybersecurity innovation, and they need experts to protect their products and services. IBM. With its global presence and focus on cybersecurity solutions, IBM regularly hires CySA Plus professionals to help protect its infrastructure. Amazon. As one of the world's largest e-commerce platforms, Amazon hires CySA Plus professionals to safeguard its digital and cloud services, including AWS. Cisco. Known for its network security products, Cisco hires cybersecurity analysts to defend against threats in the ever-evolving tech landscape. Government agencies need top-tier professionals to protect sensitive data and national security. National Security Agency. The NSA recruits CySA Plus professionals to defend against cyber attacks and protect national security interests. Department of Defense. The DoD is always on the lookout for certified cybersecurity analysts to help protect defense networks from cyber threats. Homeland Security. DHS plays a key role in securing the nation's digital infrastructure and regularly hires CySA Plus professionals for roles in threat analysis and incident response. The financial sector is a prime target for cyber criminals, making cybersecurity analysts essential in protecting financial systems. J.P. Morgan Chase. As one of the largest financial institutions in the world, J.P. Morgan Chase hires CySA Plus professionals to secure its digital assets and prevent financial cybercrime. Bank of America. A leader in banking services, Bank of America offers opportunities for CySA Plus certified analysts to defend against attacks targeting the financial industry. Healthcare companies store vast amounts of sensitive data, which makes them attractive targets for hackers. United Health Group. As a leader in healthcare, United Health Group hires CySA Plus professionals to ensure the security of patient information and healthcare systems. Anthem, Inc. Anthem regularly recruits cybersecurity analysts to protect its infrastructure from potential data breaches and cyber threats. Now, let's talk about the salaries you can expect with a CySA Plus certification. Entry-level roles. Typically, entry-level positions offer salaries between $60,000 to $80,000 annually. Mid-level roles. With a few years of experience, you can expect salaries ranging from $80,000 to $100,000. Senior roles. Experienced professionals in senior positions can earn upwards of $120,000 per year. Ready to start your journey? The first step is preparing for the CySA Plus exam. You can find trusted study materials to help you pass the exam with confidence at examshome.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who are looking to take their cybersecurity career to the next level. And remember, for all your study needs, visit examshome.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.